Look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. And has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, remote keyless entry, door locks, power, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, cruise control, electronic, engine, Vortec 4.8L variable valve timing speed-flex fuel, emissions override, federal, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, audio system, AM/FM stereo and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.